we'll guide you through how to navigate the ChatGPT ban and regain access to all its features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. You might see a message indicating that access is restricted. This could be due to a regional ban or network restrictions. To bypass this, you can use a trustworthy VPN service. Install a VPN extension in your browser, or download a reliable VPN app on your computer. Make sure to select a server location where ChatGPT is accessible. For most users, connecting through servers in the United States or Europe works best. Once connected, refresh the ChatGPT page and check if the site is now accessible. If the VPN alone doesn't solve the issue, another tip is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, which can sometimes resolve access problems. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy section, and select Clear Browsing Data. Ensure you choose to clear the cache and cookies, then restart your browser. Also, verify that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking the site. You can temporarily disable these programs to see if they are the cause, but remember to enable them afterward for security. In some cases, using a different browser can also help. If you're using Chrome, try accessing ChatGPT with Firefox or Edge. This can sometimes bypass specific browser-related restrictions. Remember, using a VPN may affect your internet speed, so choose a server with low latency. By following these steps, you should be able to navigate the ChatGPT ban and continue using the platform. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.